and we hear from team members, it felt like it wasn't a very busy night. And then we go look at the sales, and it was their busiest night yet.
So we were at a moment of, okay, stores are starting to age. If we need to renovate them, then we needed to go in and rip out the old ovens, rebuild the store, which means a gut job, and put in a bigger oven with more capacity in order to grow the volume of the store. That work cost as much as building a new store. And so the question we had to ask is, should we do that or should we build a new store? We looked around the industry to say, okay, can we do this internally? Do we need to hire somebody? And then even after all that work, we're like, we need to call Brian and Steve because Service Physics just offers what we needed.
What we were able to identify was the ovens weren't actually being used to capacity. And so we told them we can, without any investment in new ovens, we can unlock capacity in your store and produce more pizzas and be able to create a better experience for your customers.
What Service Physics really brings to the table is their expertise in the industry. So Service Physics is a collection of people who have done this kind of work before. They understand what it means to come into work every day and work 8 hours and serve people.
If we increase the throughput and reduce the waste in your operation by 20 seconds, we can increase the number of pizzas you can produce by 16 pizzas. So we can start to really link it to specific math, and it just becomes a numbers game at that point.
We now have the confidence that we can move forward and rethink how we invest. I mean, this is millions and millions and millions of dollars. The main difference, I think, between the world of consulting in general and Service Physics and how it relates to mod is humanity. So many consultants are just about the metrics, what they can drive, what, the output's going to be, what it's going to mean for investors or for the board. Sure, that's important. But at the heart of it is how much we care for our people. And it was very clear early on that the team at Service Physics shared like some value sets, shared an approach, and shared this notion of caring for people.
And over time, we anticipate that not only will there be increase in revenue and the ability to reduce customer wait time, creating higher customer experience scores, we also anticipate lower turnover and longer retention of employees because they're less stressed in their job and it's just more joyful to work.
I've seen where we're headed. I see where we've been, and I don't want to go back. Not only has this been like big, hard work for us, but it's also the most like joyful work because we have such great partnership with them.